Hello, here's how to import from Sharepoint Lists. First, you want to open up the coefficient sidebar and go to Import From. Next, go to Add Connected Sources and find Sharepoint Lists. Here, just go ahead and click Authorize, and it'll just redirect you to sign in with your account. Now we can do our import. Here you want to select your SharePoint site, and now select a list. Here's where you can do some configuration settings. You can adjust the columns you want just by unchecking and rechecking things. Here you can also drag and drop to move things left and right, and even apply any additional filters. Once you're happy with this view, you can go ahead and click Import. And of course, you can set up an auto-refresh schedule for hourly, daily, or weekly. And that's all. Hope that helps.